para sa Bulak Paste. Na pwede pong dagdagan dito. Here comes Mukau, the ball play. Shot flag down to 10. 9. Yan, alerto ka pag yan. Pass number 17, pasa dito kay Kuya. Back to number 11, 2 minutes and 50 para sa second quarter, number 5. Back to number 11, give it to 14 seconds of the shot flag. Castañeda, shot flag down to 10. 9, basket on number 16. 31-27. Here comes the effort of Lucas Sanchez. Di diskarte para sa pagkulima. Back pedal. In control, shot clock at 14. Down to 12, 11, 10. Shot clock at 17. In control, give it to Sarmiento. Inside pass, number 9. Aranchi wala. Put back. Balik na yung practice. Number 9. And a steal for the team pulling Masle. Here comes Arcelios. Sanchez. Pull up Jay. Wala. Recover now for the team. San Vicente. Sarmiento. Now in control. Baseline drive. Underneath. Patay si Lizardo. Balik dito sa ending. Pull up Masle. Number 0. Mungkao takes the isolation. In control now, give it to number 11, points, say yes! 34-27. Aranchi, Manine on the drive lane. Yes, good back. Basket, get now. Here comes the number 11, exactly 1 minute to play. Sanchez, spin, underneath, easy 2 points. Here comes number 5, lands a 48 seconds game clock. And a rebound for the San Vicente. Counts Bells, last 23 seconds game clock. Castañeda, spin. Head. And shot clock is dead. 15, 14, 13, 12. Okay, may pito na ha. Meron lang tayo pito. Count number 5. Okay, number 5, first on you. 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,